Good morning, welcome back. Here I've got a pennisetum, a lovely grass with tall, fluffy flower heads, I suppose. And we bought these at the weekend from Lidl. Now we've been looking for pennisetum now for quite a while. I mean, the ideal time to plant these would be in the spring or late winter, but whenever we've been looking in garden centres, it's been quite pricey. And I was looking online recently, and the cheapest one I could find was $8.99, and it was $5.99 postage. So when I saw these in Lidl for $3.99 each, I just jumped at the chance. They are quite pot bound. I'll just take this one out of its pot and show you what I mean. I've been teasing the roots out a little bit, but you can see that it really does need to be out of a pot or into a slightly larger pot. There we go. And what I'm also going to do is to actually, I don't know if that shows up on camera, I'm actually going to just trim those long roots off. Should be okay. Right, again I'm going to plant them off. They came in these small pots here, which are really quite small, and I'm going to plant it into this one here, which gives me a good inch or so all the way around, and they can stay in these pots until probably until the spring, and then we'll see how. Here I'm just feeding the compost around the edge, get nice and even, and then we don't get the plant being pushed over to one side. Right, because that was quite dry, now I'm going to give it a good water. But there we go, one pennisetum all potted up into a nice larger pot. I'll keep it in this pot until spring next year, and then I'll find somewhere nice for it to go in the garden. So one down, one more to go. Now it is a little bit blustery today. The wind, I'm not sure whether the wind is sort of having an effect across the top of the microphone, so if it is, I do apologise. And the wind has been knocking these ones over, and I already see that 3 of them are broken. I'll just flip those off first. I suspect these would have been prepared for the spring, and then because they haven't sold, they've just put them out at a clearance price, because $3.99 is certainly a bit of a bargain, really. Right, so there we have 2 pennisetums all potted up into a slightly larger pot. I'll let them settle down a little bit. These 4 stems here that were broken off, all is not lost, because I feel sure that they will find themselves into a little vase somewhere with some other of the plants. So I shall hand them over to the flower arranger, and then she will sort them out.